first question says, if 2x plus 4y is 18, what is the value of 4x plus 8y? So if you look at this and this, we can see that 4x plus 8y is twice of 2x plus 4y. So if you multiply this entire equation by 2, so that's going to be 4x plus 8y, and 2 times 18 is 36. So that's the value. Instead of, finding what x and y is by solving it simultaneously or like getting confused by how we're supposed to find the value of these unknowns, we just compare the two expressions and say, are they similar? Can they be made similar? What's common between them? So easy, just multiply this by 2 and you get 36. Next, we have x plus 2y. So as you can see, if we divide 2x plus 4y by 2, that's going to be x plus 2y, which is the same as what we have to find the value for. And 18 divided by 2 is 9. So this is the answer for x plus 2y. The next question says, what is the size of angle x? So for these questions, you need to remember that whenever we have two parallel lines, alternate angles are equal. So if I extend this line over here and this over here, this angle is alternate to this, which means this will be 65 and this will be x. As we said, in parallel lines, alternate angles are equal. So what is going to be the value of angle x? Since this is a straight line and x and 65 are supplementary angles, which means x is going to be the difference of 180 and 65, which is 115. Next, it says, what is the bearing of A from B? So bearing of A from B is going to be this entire thing. Why? Because the bearing is measured from the north and it goes till the line which connects the points A and B. So when we start measuring from the north, this is the line that connects A and B. And since it says what is the bearing of A from B, so we're going to measure the angle from B. So this is the entire bearing of A from B. And since complete circle is going to be 360, so we're going to do 360 minus 65. And that's going to give us 295. That is your bearing of A from B. Now, what is the bearing of B from A? So now we're going to measure the bearing from point A. We're going to start from the north and go towards the line that connects A and B. So that's this angle, which we figured out is 115. That's your answer. Next question says that a cone has a base of radius 5 centimeters. The height of the cone is 9 centimeters. Work out the volume of the cone. So directly use the formula for the volume of the cone, 1/3 pi r square h. Radius is 5 and height is 9. So 1/3 pi times 5 squared times 9. And that's going to give us 235.62 centimeter cube. Next question says that the population of Northern Ireland is 1.8 million to the nearest 100,000. That's the degree of accuracy. What is the lowest possible number of people that live in Northern Ireland? So to find the lowest possible number of people, that means we're finding the lower bound. So for the lower bound, first what we'll do is we will divide the degree of accuracy by 2. So 100,000 divided by 2 is going to be 50,000. Since we're talking about the lower bound, we will subtract 50,000 from 1.8 million. 1,800,000 minus 50,000, and that's going to be 175,000. That is the lowest possible number of people that live in Northern Ireland.